This is the Woodford RK-Y1 repair kit for the Model Y1. So on the front of the package here, it'll have just a list of the parts that the package will include, as well as that little picture breakdown there of the parts it'll come with and the order they go in. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. So it'll come with that rod stem, the graphite packing, the brass support washer, the packing nut. With the packing nut, it does have those metal threads, and then that in there is hexed. And then you have the plunger assembly as well, which is a hard rubber material, and that brass rod with the internal female thread. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each piece here. We'll start with this support washer and just get an outside diameter, and that will measure right above 1/2 inch. And then the rod stem will get a total length here, and that'll measure right at 3 3/4 inches. And then also get an outer diameter of that rod as well, measuring right at about 1/4 inch. And the graphite packing will get a total height as well as an outer diameter. So the total height will measure right above 1/2 inch as well, right about right there. And then the outer diameter measuring just over 1/2 inch. In the packing nut, we'll start with an outer diameter here of that hex side, and then we'll also get a total height and an outer diameter of this end with the threads. So the outer diameter of that hexed head measures right at 3/4 inch there. And then a total height of right about right above 3/4 inch. And then an outer diameter of this end with those threads, measuring right over 1/2 inch as well. And then last but not least, we will take a couple measurements of that plunger assembly. We'll start with a total length. So from end to end, it measures right at 2.5 inches. And then the outer diameter of that brass pipe, measuring right at 3/4 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford RK-Y1 repair kit.